Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing, so.
What is poppin'? It's your girl Robin. We're back. So today I'm going to be installing this water wave wig from Asteria Hair. Now Asteria Hair is tried and true for me. I've been wearing their hair since I was literally in high school, and their hair is just chef's kiss. So we're going to be installing this water wave unit. I am going to be doing 2 braids to the side. So I just put the wig on my head. I did my ball cap method. I bleached the knots on this wig. It's actually over bleached, but at this point I just really don't care. I'm going to be pulling out about this amount of hair to kind of mimic my hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut this really short because I want to be able to see. And that piece of lace right here is gonna get cut off anyway. So I'm just gonna go through and measure the wig to my head. I'm gonna cut the ear tabs out, and then we're just gonna begin with our install. I'm gonna be using my So Melted Glue waterproof lace glue by So Shar. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Listening, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Hard of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real.
It's all there, y'all. Don't worry, it's all there.
You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You wanna get with me, stop it. I look for peace.
this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. I love how my edges came out, even though I didn't show that on camera. I love how this style came out. I've done it before, so I was like, I gotta come on and show you guys how I did it. It was super easy. But yes, y'all, the hair, I did end up using Kinky Curly Knot today, leave-in, and the curling custard in the hair. So guys, I definitely love this hair. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. Let's get a lace check in. Let's get a curl pattern check in. So as you guys can see, it's bomb. Like, I stand by Asteria Hair. They have great quality hair. So if you guys want to shop with Asteria Hair, my code will be up on the screen so you guys can save some coins shopping with Asteria. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know how y'all feel about this install in the comments, and let me know how you guys feel about this style. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.